So I took the marinade and strained it and reduced it just slightly so it has got more viscosity, so it'll coat better. And I'm going to take the chicken now. It's about 20 minutes in the oven, and you can take a look at what that looks like. And you can see that the marinade is beginning to adhere to the surface, and fat has come out of the chicken, which is called schmaltz. And of course, a little bit of the original fat, which was the lard and the sesame oil. Now I'm going to take them out of the pan and put them into the bowl. I'm not big on brushing them because brushes often will lose their bristles. And that's not fun. I'm going to just leave that as it is for now, and I'm going to take the rest of this marinade and I'm going to pour that over. It's yummy stuff. And I'm just going to agitate that a little bit and then kind of roll them in that a little bit. And I'm looking for a side that looks a little lighter. Perhaps I could find another way to stand that chicken so that it ends up better browned. And the browning is going to happen more against the bottom of the pan than the upside, because that's where there's more direct heat contact. Right? If I put my hand on a hot pan, it burns it immediately. I can put my hand in a hot oven, and that's not a big problem. So air does not transfer heat as fast as metal. I'm going to do that again in 20 minutes, and I'll see you then.
What are we having for lunch, Dave?
Well, I thought we'd have teriyaki chicken. How's that sound?
Sounds good.
Awesome.
Thank you.